Installing a door might seem straightforward, but it's a task that demands precision and attention to detail. In Salt Lake City, the unique climate and local architectural styles add a layer of complexity to this seemingly simple process. From protecting against harsh winters to ensuring the door complements a home's aesthetic, getting it right is essential. However, many homeowners make common mistakes during door installation, leading to poor performance, increased energy bills, and costly repairs. Here's a look at the most frequent mistakes and how to avoid them. Incorrect measurement. One of the most frequent mistakes is failing to measure the door frame accurately. A door that doesn't fit properly can lead to drafts, security vulnerabilities, and a subpar aesthetic. This issue is especially important in Salt Lake City, where extreme weather can exaggerate the effects of poor sealing. How to avoid it? Always measure the height, width, and depth of the door frame at multiple points to account for any irregularities. Consider hiring a professional to ensure accuracy, especially for older homes where frames may have shifted over time. Ignoring weatherproofing needs. Salt Lake City's climate demands proper weatherproofing. Neglecting to install adequate seals and insulation can result in drafts, increased heating or cooling costs, and even water damage. How to avoid it? Use high-quality weather stripping and ensure that all gaps between the door and frame are properly sealed with caulk or foam. For added protection, choose doors with built-in weather-resistant features such as thermal insulation. Improper door alignment. A misaligned door may not close properly, leading to issues with security and energy efficiency. This can occur due to incorrect hinge placement or failing to account for the weight of the door. How to avoid it? Ensure the hinges are installed precisely and can support the door's weight. Check for level alignment before finalizing installation. Using a professional grade level can make this task easier. Using low-quality materials. In an effort to cut costs, some homeowners opt for low-quality doors or installation materials. In Salt Lake City, where temperatures fluctuate and homes must endure snow and rain, such materials may not last. How to avoid it? Invest in high-quality doors made from durable materials like solid wood, steel, or fiberglass. Also, choose screws, hinges, and other hardware designed for longevity and resistance to weather conditions. Skipping the pre-hanging option. Many homeowners attempt to install a door without opting for pre-hung options. While this may save money up front, it can lead to difficulties in aligning the door and ensuring a tight seal. How to avoid it? Whenever possible, choose pre-hung doors that come with a frame already attached. This ensures a proper fit and makes installation easier for both DIYers and professionals. Neglecting local building code. Salt Lake City has specific building codes that govern the types of doors and installation methods allowed. Failing to adhere to these can result in fines or the need for costly adjustments. How to avoid it? Before purchasing or installing a door, consult local building codes or work with a licensed contractor familiar with Salt Lake City regulations. Forgetting about aesthetic compatibility. While functionality is crucial, a door that doesn't match your home's architectural style can reduce its curb appeal. This is particularly important in neighborhoods with a consistent aesthetic. How to avoid it? Choose a door style and finish that complements your home's existing design. Salt Lake City's blend of modern and traditional architecture offers plenty of inspiration. DIY installation without proper tools or skills. While many homeowners in Salt Lake City are enthusiastic DIYers, installing a door without the proper tools or experience can lead to many of the above issues. How to avoid it? If you're not confident in your abilities, hire a professional. A skilled installer will ensure the door is properly aligned, sealed, and secure, saving you time and money in the long run. The importance of professional installation in Salt Lake City. Whether it's the need for precise measurements, weatherproofing, or compliance with local codes, professional door installation is often worth the investment. In Salt Lake City, the expertise of a local installer ensures your door is prepared to withstand the region's unique challenges while adding value and style to your home. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure your door is not only functional but also enhances your home's comfort and appearance. Take the time to plan, invest in quality materials, and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. In the long run, a properly installed door is well worth the effort.